Hello and welcome to Community, the new software support portal hosted by Salesforce. As part of Spoke's ongoing commitment to provide exceptional service and support to our wireless and software internal customer bases, Spoke has partnered with Salesforce.com as the vendor for our customer relationship management tool and incident management system. As a part of this initiative, a new customer web portal has also been established. With this tool, you will be able to create and manage cases, as well as have access to product, knowledge, and general support documentation. Many may ask, why Salesforce? Salesforce allows for both wireless and software customer bases to be accessible within a single system, including the ability to see relationships between shared customers. Now let's get started. You will continue to access the software support portal in the same manner that you do today by logging on to www.spoke.com, accessing the customer support link followed by software support portal. You will then see the new software support portal web page. You will enter in your login information, email address, and password, and select login. Once you've logged in successfully, you will see the home page in Community. You will have access to 3 tabs on the menu bar: Home, Cases, and Knowledge. We will first select the Cases tab. Here, you have access to create a new case as well as manage existing cases. If you would like to see the open community cases associated to the account, select Open Community Cases in the View bar and select Go. In this view, you have access to sort by case number, subject, status, priority, date and time open, as well as current case owner. Likewise, you'll have access to your closed community cases, as well as your recently viewed cases. We will proceed by creating a new case. Select the New Case button here. You will notice that the contact name is pre-populated. You will also notice that the status defaults to New. Also, keep in mind, wherever a red bar is present, information is required in those fields. Select the appropriate product in the drop-down. In this example, we'll use administration. Our subject will be test, and enter in a description associated to the product. Please keep in mind that it is necessary to ensure that the Assign Using Active Assignment Rules box is checked. Because again, this box must remain checked in order for your case to be routed to the appropriate center that handles your product. Once you've entered all the required information, simply hit Submit. You'll notice that a case number has been assigned. In the event that you need to add an attachment to the case, you will simply select File, in Chatter Feed, Browse, go to the specified folder or area on your computer to pull the appropriate file, and hit Share. If you need to cancel, you can do so here. You will notice that the file has been posted successfully. In the event that you need to add a comment, a specific comment associated to your case, you can do so here. Add the appropriate information and hit Save. You will notice that the case comment is now visible in the Case Comments field. Accessing the Knowledge tab will take you to general support documentation, product information, as well as all article types. Providing you need to focus on a specific product, you can select that product from the drop-down. Now, let's go back to the home page. We will now view My Profile. My Profile houses the contact information that we have on file for you in Salesforce. Here, you have access to edit this information with the exception of your username and your email address, as this data is unique to your Salesforce contact information and must be handled by a spoke employee. Providing that you attempted to edit your username, for example, you would receive an error requiring you to create a case so that the request can be handled by a spoke employee. You also have access to change your password. Simply entering your new password and verify your new password and hit save. Now, let's visit Community Links. Create a new case allows you to create a new case as shown in the Cases tab. Request a report allows you to create a case specifying the details associated to the report here. Please keep in mind that the product for a report request should be Other. Also, as a reminder, it is also necessary to ensure this box remains checked in order for your case to be routed to the appropriate center. My Open Cases gives you access or visibility to your open cases. My Closed Cases, again, gives you access or visibility to those closed cases associated to the account. Recent Items shows that information or those cases or any documentation that you recently reviewed. Please be reminded that customers are encouraged to use the customer community for creation of non-critical cases only. A link to our prioritization guidelines has been included to assist with this process. Accessing the Cases icon allows for you to create a new case as well as manage existing cases. Accessing the Knowledge icon takes you to the Knowledge page. Accessing the Reports icon takes you to the Case Layout page to create a case to request a report. And in the event you needed to email support directly, you can do so here by selecting this icon. In the event an authorized contact has a change request, such as updating the existing contact list that we have on file, this can be done by clicking on this link, and an email will be sent to the appropriate work group. Please note that in emailing support, a case will be created on your behalf. Please note the additional reference information at the bottom of the screen. An analyst will respond to non-critical cases submitted through the customer community within 1 business day. Spoke support model, service level expectation, and service catalog can be accessed in the Knowledge section. You can also select this link to email technical support or call support at 800-420-9705. Please note, there are also supported browsers for customer community. Selecting this link will take you to the Salesforce page that has this information. Please note that there are also different user profiles associated to community. For example, a customer admin profile has visibility to all cases on the account, including those of other web portal users that have access to create cases on the account. A customer profile, for example, would only have access to see their cases only. This concludes our tutorial for community, and we thank you for joining.